Okay, hello, this is Clint Halstead, and this is a internet course called Introduction to Microprocessors, using a textbook called Designing Embedded Systems with PIC Microcontrollers, Principles and Applications, 2nd edition with Tim Wilmshurst. This is the next series in a lesson on a tutorial on how to simulate the bit set, which is example and exercise 5.1 in the textbook on page 112. So we went through on how to set up the program in MPLAB X. We went through how to a simulator tutorial on how to simulate it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to download it to the actual ping pong hardware. So let's download it and test it out. So now that we've simulated it, we need to change our tool from simulation mode to a PIC mode, because we have a PIC16 download cable. So what we need to do is we need to go over here to this little wrench icon, project properties. Notice down here the debug tool is set to simulator. So if we click the little wrench, then we can change the hardware tool to PIC16, the serial number. PIC16, the serial number. We click that. We hit OK. Notice that the debug tool has been changed from simulator to PIC16. So now let's just build the program one more time just to make sure it works. 0 errors. And then let's see if we can download the program. Okay, so I have the cable connected, and let's see here, flash, copy to output. For some reason our download icon is grayed out. I don't really know why. It's kind of strange. That's weird. Bit set test. Hello, this is Clint Halstead, and this is a course called Introduction to Microprocessors, and I'm using a textbook called Designing Embedded Systems with PIC Microcontrollers, Principles and Applications, 2nd edition with Tim Wilmshurst. We already went through a couple of tutorials on how to set up this bit set program, which is on chapter 112 of the textbook. This is exercise 5.1 that we're working through, and we created the assembly language code, we simulated it, and now we're to the point where we want to download it into some target hardware. So notice that at the bottom of the screen you have your debug tool is set to simulator. That's because we set up the project for simulation. Now notice at the top, notice the little wrench bar. If you hit the wrench bar, then we can change this from the simulator to the PIC16, because we are using a PIC16 download cable. So click the serial number. This is the specific serial number that we're using. You click OK. Notice that the debug tool has been switched from simulator to PIC16. Now let's rebuild the program just for grins here, just to make sure that it really is good. It says 0 errors, loading complete. Now all we have to do is make and program the main project. Make and program device main project. Okay, so I've got everything connected. Let's make sure. Let me just show you my hardware really quick. Okay, so this is my hardware. I have this is a PIC16 board. I've got it designed for the the ping pong project hardware, which is in the book, and the appendix of the book. And I've got my PIC kit 3. You can see here, PIC kit 3, and got the USB cable connected to my computer. I got it powered up by 9-volt adapter. I noticed that my kit doesn't work if I don't have the 9-volt kit selected. It won't work off the USB power. And the switch is on, so we should be ready to go. So let's go over here and just to make sure, let's go over here and click download. So we're going to download it. To the programmer. What does it say? It says check the device selected MPLAB is the same one that is physically attached. Okay. We don't want to show that message. That was just a warning message. Okay. So it looks like that it programmed it. It says programming verified complete. So it looks like it's programmed it, and it's also verified that the programming is correct. So that's all good now. Now let's test it and see if it works. Okay. So let's show you the board again. Let's move the camera back over here. Now you can see that if I push my push button switch, you can see that the LED will light up whenever I press this button. And if I press this button, a different light will come on, the one next to it. So that's the push buttons are on port A, and the LEDs are on port B. So the push buttons are port A, the LEDs port B. So it looks like it's working. So everything is great, and hope you guys learned a lot from this experiment and these tutorials. And I'll see you for the next lesson. Thanks.